back for another video, and this video is all about how to magnetize your cube, or also known as Rubik's cube. Yup, I'm going to try and magnetize my second best Rubik's cube. Here I bought magnet on Shopee in Japan. The hustle out of your parcel, I mean. So yeah, let's see what looks the magnet. I bought the N35 and let's see if that magnet is really good. It's my first time to put magnets on a Rubik's cube, so yeah, I hope I'll do it correctly. I'll be back for a second to get my scissors again. I really don't know how to magnetize my cube, so I'll just try and let's see if it will be correct. Yeah, so here I have my last cubes that I need to put magnets on. Yep. So yeah, this is the last part, and yeah, I'm just gonna put like that, and I'm gonna put super glue on this part. Yeah. So yep, this. Yeah, it should be good from here. Very good. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more great and interesting videos. But before we go, I just want to tell you guys to put some lube on your new magnetized cube. So yeah, just get a lube, put the lube there, each parts there, yeah, anywhere, and just spin it around, spin, and yeah, that's it. It will be good. So yeah, that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share the video, and on your laptop, as always, leave a like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more great and interesting videos. And never ever forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss another video I will post. Yeah, subscribe.